Moving on military orders isn't just another relocation, it's a mission. Short timelines, strict requirements, zero room for mistakes. If you're relocating to or from Raleigh, you need movers who understand military life. At Better Life Moving, we proudly support active duty service members, veterans, and military families. Whether it's a PCS move, base relocation, or last-minute orders, our team is ready. PCS moves require precision and experience. We handle packing, loading, transportation, and unloading, all aligned with military timelines and regulations. You focus on your next assignment. We handle the move. Our licensed and insured movers treat every item with care and respect. From local moves to cross-country relocations, we deliver discipline, reliability, and attention to detail every time. Hundreds of five-star reviews across Google and trusted platforms speak for themselves. Military families trust Better Life Moving because we show up, follow through, and deliver. Get a free quote today and move forward with confidence, backed by movers who understand what matters most.